Right, we'll begin this hour in Port Harcourt, where Gracious David West is to die by hanging for the murders of at least 6 women in different hotels in Port Harcourt and other locations.
A River State High Court handed down the death sentence 2 months after he was found guilty of the murders committed in bizarre manner between July and September 2019. Correspondent Uche Okoro reports.
40-year-old Gracious David West committed the first murder sometime in July 2019. Between then and September, when he was arrested, the number of women he is believed to have killed is unclear. But the court was able to establish that the convict lured 6 women to different hotels in Port Harcourt, Lagos and Imo states and killed them. He is also convicted on a 1-count charge of attempted murder. Across the nation, news of the killing sent shivers down the spines of nearly everyone who heard of it. The case began on the 18th of November 2019, led to a guilty verdict for Gracious David West in August 2020, and eventually the death penalty. During the sentencing, Justice Adolphus Enebeli said the confessional statement was freely and voluntarily made and therefore was enough proof of evidence to convict.
I feel so sad when a life is wasted, but I'm happy that the judgment has come the way it came.
If we as lawyers are briefed to pursue his constitutional right of appeal under our constitution, that we shall honestly do.
The second defendant escaped a 2-year jail term after she was discharged and acquitted. She was standing trial for allegedly moving the corpse of one of the victims without lawful justification from the hotel in Port Harcourt where she worked as manager. Justice Enebeli said the court refrained from convicting her out of public sentiment as there was no evidence linking the second defendant to the said offense.
We hope that the prosecution, led by the Honorable Attorney General, will not find the courage to challenge these judgments.
With respect to the second defendant, like I said, she escaped by the whiskers. Not that the offense with which she was charged was not committed.
15 months after the first murder and almost 12 months of trial, the case has now come to an end at the State High Court. For now, families of the victims can see this as the delivery of justice that they deserve. Uche Okoro, TVC News, Port Harcourt.